Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Prove the following two inequalities. Number 1, x to the power 4 minus x plus half greater than 0. And number 2, x plus x power 3 minus x power 6 minus x power 8 less than 1. Note that in this case, x is a real number. This video is suitable for beginners who want to learn more about AMGM inequality. We know that these two inequalities can be proved using calculus by letting the function be x and find the f prime x and f dot prime x and follow the standard procedure. But we would like to look at different perspective that is using AMGM inequality. So for the first one, if we use AMGM inequality, consider x power 4 plus 1 over 4. This will be greater or equals to 2 square root of x to the power 4 1 over 4. And this will be equals x squared. Then we do the similar thing, x squared plus 1 over 4 greater than or equals to 2 square root of x squared 1 over 4. This will be equals to modulus x, which will be greater than or equals to x. Take the sum of these two inequalities. We will have x to the power 4 plus x squared plus half greater than or equals to x squared plus x, which means that x to the power 4 minus x plus 1 over 2 greater than or equals to 0. Equality holds if and only if. For the first inequality, x to the power 4 equals to 1 over 4. And for the second one, x squared equals to 1 over 4. And this is impossible, and which means that x to the power 4 minus x plus half is always positive. We'll provide another way to look at this question. We can consider x squared minus 1 over 2 squared. This will give us x to the power 4 minus x squared plus 1 over 4. So we add another x minus 1 over 2 squared. So we see that x power 4 minus x plus half is exactly equal to sum of the two squared, which means that this is greater or equals to 0. Equality holds if and only if x squared equals to half and x equals to half. Again, this is impossible. And therefore, x power 4 minus x plus half is strictly greater than 0. Next one, it is kind of similar question. So we first note that x power 8 plus 1 over 4 is greater or equals to 2 square root x power 8 1 over 4. It is equals to x power 4. And x power 4 plus 1 over 4 is greater or equals to 2 square root of x power 4 times 1 over 4. This is x squared. And x squared plus 1 over 4 greater than or equals to 2 square root of x squared times 1 over 4. This is absolute value of x, and this is greater than or equals to x. And we also consider x power 6 plus 1 over 4. This is greater or equals to 2 square root of x power 6 times 1 over 4. And this is modulus x power 3, and this is greater than or equals to x power 3. When you take the sum of these four inequalities, we have x power 8, x power 6, x power 4, x power 2 plus 1 greater than or equals to x power 4, x power 3 plus x squared plus x. We have x power 4 and x power 2 on the left hand side and the right hand side. So this means that the equality holds if and only if x power 4 equals to half and x squared equals to half, x equals to half, x cubed equals to half, which is impossible. And therefore, we have the strict inequality. Again, we can use the idea of completing the square to show the second inequality. So we consider x power 8 plus x power 6 minus x power 3 minus x plus 1. So in order to get x power of 8, we consider x4 minus 1 over 2 squared. After we expand it, we have x power 8 minus x4 plus 1 over 4. So this is something extra, so we need to add x power 4. X power 4 is square of x squared. So we consider x squared minus half. And this will have x to the power of 4 minus x squared plus 1 over 4. Again, we do not want to have negative x squared, so plus x squared. Likewise, we minus half here, and this will be x squared minus x plus 1 over 4. We want to get minus x, that is fine. And lastly, for x6 minus x power 3, we can consider x power 3 minus 1 over 2 squared. This will give me x power 6 minus x power 3 plus 1 over 4. And when you add up all this, we will actually get the above expression. So in this case, the expression is equal to sum of squares. So this is greater than or equal to 0. Equality holds if and only if x power 4 equals to half, x squared equals to half, x equals to half, and x cubed equals to half. Of course, this is not possible. And therefore, we have x power 8 plus x squared strictly greater than 0. And finally, we prove the inequality as we wanted. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.